Hello friends, I hope you are all doing good. In this video, I will tell you, how can you earn money from Fiverr, without any skill. Let me show you something. Open the browser from your computer, and go to fiverr.com website. Now just search for the keyword, business leads. As you can see, there are thousands of people here, who sell the business leads, and earn the money. As you can see, they have many orders in queues, and a lot of work. Now I am going to tell you guys, how they get the leads to sale on Fiverr. They simply use a software, which name is Yellow Pages Spider. To download this software, just go to the website, www.yellowpagespider.com. Just click on Download Trial, to download the free trial of the software. When the download is completed, just install Yellow Pages Spider and open it. First of all, select the country from which you want to get the business leads data. Now enter the target business keyword, and target location and press Enter. It will show some results. Click the button, Get Data, to collect it in the form of table. The data will start arranged in the form of rows and columns. When the data is collected, just click Stop button, to stop the processing. And, click the Export button to get all the data in a CSV file. And start selling these leads on Fiverr and earn money without having any skills and experience. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.